Why AliExpress dropshipping is failing in 2026 and the free branded alternative. Okay, so if you are using still AliExpress and also you are trying thinking that you will start dropshipping in AliExpress by their supplying by their everything's process, then definitely I think you will fail. Okay, so first of all I will show you some tracking number. That is wait, let's go to 17 track. Okay, so okay, so let's see this tracking number. Okay, so this is from our company's private supplier or agent service. Okay, so you can see China to USA, 5 days shipping done. Okay, okay, and then let's go to another tracking. Let's random from this one. Okay, okay, this one. Okay, this one's like we can see this is also USA 5 days tracking. Okay, China to USA, it's delivered on 5 April. Okay, and let's see another tracking number of these ones. Okay, this one's okay. First of all, yeah, go to 17 track. Okay, I think you know about 17 track. It's real and the proven data that they are showing, that tracking real data. Okay, this is also 4 days shipping. Okay, so this is the shipping times that are for private supplier service. It's not AliExpress, it's not Amazon, it's not Alibaba. Okay, so why you need a private supplier for your dropshipping business in 2026? First of all, let's see that USA 5 to 8 days shipping, EU 6 to 8 days shipping. It's average and it's the real time. Okay, the time map. Okay, within 5 to 8 days or 6 to 8 days, USA. But AliExpress we see AliExpress more than 15 days. Okay, let me mark. AliExpress is more than 15 days. Okay, so which is very huge, and your customer cannot wait. And this is our China to US. I show you now every day. You can see it's 5 days, it's 4 days. Everything is within almost like 7 days. I mean, within 1 week we covered everything. Okay, okay. So that's it. So AliExpress is failing. Okay, definitely it's failing, but it's good for research product, find winning product, but not for shipping. Okay, so that's why AliExpress is failing because of the low shipping time, delay shipping time, and customer are always complaining. Okay, customer always, they are always complaining. And also and the disadvantages have the product quality, the PQ, I mean product quality is very bad. Okay, and if we see also some reasons, the days of three shipping and generic brown boxes are officially over. If you don't adapt, your store will become part of 95% business that failed this year. Okay, so this is the AliExpress another reason. The shipping time in 2026, your customers are comparing your store to giants like Amazon. Yeah, it's really important. So who can offer 1 or 2 day shipping, waiting 2 to 3 weeks for an unbranded product. Okay, so that's why when AliExpress is offering 2 to 3 days wait, sorry, 2 to 3 weeks shipping, yeah, so why customer can wait? And on the other hand, your competitors are giving maximum 3 to 4 days shipping total. So that's why your competitors will in front of your brand. Okay, and so that's why your competitors will take your all customers. And then we go to that fast shipping, high perceived value, and custom branded packaging. This is where private agents come in, like me. So I'm giving the private agent service. I showed you that maximum 7 days shipping times. Okay, and then the secret using of special king of private agent that specialize in sourcing for small and medium size of stores, no problem. And also for face to face talking, for live chat, or any problem we can solve, like your custom packaging, your private label, your MOQ, everything's you can talk to us. Okay, no problem. And let's compare that the results. The old way, you make $10 profit per sale, but your customers are unhappy and your return rate is higher. So when you work with AliExpress, okay, the AliExpress, and your return rate is higher, and your like average cost or average ads cost is will also will high when your return rate will high. Okay, it's all overall your campaign will be lost if your return rate will higher. Okay, So my friend, that's it. That this is the today's video, that why AliExpress dropshipping is failing. Please don't depend on AliExpress, and just work with private agents like me. I will not say that to work with me to definitely, but you can try my service. Also, if you feeling any problem about your store's order, shipping delay, or quality, just knock me, okay? In my email, in video description you will see my email, okay?